Okay, my name is Triple Ni, and this is probably one of the last missing pieces of the puzzle. I shouldn't say missing. This is the last one of the last pieces of the puzzle. This is a rather large box, but it's surprisingly light. Another layer of tape, very meticulous packing. Uh, I should learn how to pack stuff from the guys over at the rep server. Um, it would be surprising if everything in here turns out to be packaging, in which case it would be very funny. But no, there's actually some stuff inside. I hope I didn't miss anything. No. So, this is some cables, including a decent European IEC one, all in a TME Ziploc. I should probably try these guys for parts someday. On the other end of the IEC connect. Okay, well, IEC. I don't have to say anything else. More paper. Okay, I think this is it. Even more paper. Wow. Where do you even find so much paper? And even more paper on the bottom. I'm keeping this box since I managed to open it cleanly, and if I ever have to send something big to somebody, I know what to do. Get in a little closer. Oh, and that's my lab that I've managed to set up over the last few months, thanks to some help once again from the rep server. Right. Okay, that's good. Tape has never been. Oops, I spoke too soon. Okay, couldn't be helped. Some good bubble wrap. Even more tape and even more bubble wrap. I definitely have to commend the meticulous packing. It's kind of ripped the hair off my fingers. Quite painful. So, as you can probably already see, this is an instrument of some kind. Would be very funny if I drop it. Let's hope I don't. Okay, nice. So this is an FY6800. I almost dropped it there. Function generator. This is one thing I've been wanting to have for quite a while. I've looked around. Well, I've asked people to look around, but we couldn't really find any solutions. So yeah, this thing has a proper screen for once, and from what I've heard, plenty of functions. Weird brand name, but it should be fine. I do not have enough plug points to plug this in, so looks like I'll have to go shopping today. Meanwhile, I can, let's see, picture of this, plug this in. I don't know if all connectors are standard all mains connectors are standard throughout Europe, but there we go. Perfect. Maybe just move the camera. Yep. I heard a couple of relays click. That's very fancy. nice. I wonder if there's a way to turn the beeping off. Let's see. One of the functions I am looking for is, oops, a very low duty cycle. So this goes down to 0.01%. That's going to be interesting to test. But one thing I definitely want to do is turn off the annoying beeping. Ah, let's see. I like the visual indicator of duty cycle, but okay. System save. Oops. System load sync configuration buzzer off. Finally, relief. Anyways, I think I should probably test this. Move it a little bit. It's a good thing I have plenty of uh, BNC to BNC connectors. It's not optimal because that would mean I don't get the bandwidth increase from a 1:10 row. Ouch. Let's see. There we go. Let me turn off channel 2. And set channel 1 to 1x attenuation. Okay, there we go. Kind of got noisier. Right. Frequency was set to 0, so um is this 1 kilohertz? Something happened. There we go. Right. That's strange because at 10 volts per division that would be 50 volts and it's 5. Hmm. That was channel 2. So there we go. 1 volt per division, 5 volts. Much better. I am at 100 nanoseconds per division. So let's see. There. That's. I wonder if I can change the frequency scale to hertz. Wave. No. There's a bunch of different waves. Including a couple of different types of noise. Okay, the list of arbitrary waveforms are finally 64. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I think I'll have to figure this out. This is embarrassing. Anyway, let's see. Frequency, maybe let's get it down to something reasonable like 1 kilohertz and a duty cycle of 0.1%. Okay, I think that's my scope's limitation. Or maybe not. Um, 0.1% should be increments of, I don't know, 10 nanoseconds. But it's kind of good to have this much resolution. The pulse quality seems reasonable, and the rise time of 12 nanoseconds is probably again the scope and the probe. Let's try a sine wave. Ah, that looks decent. All the way up to quite a lot. It decreases in amplitude and then suddenly increases. That's strange. And it's still a sine wave at 60 megahertz. That's quite impressive. Okay, so I guess I should say I'm really happy with this thing. And this is going to go on top of this. Should fit.